Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be formatting our table that we created in the past few episodes. We went ahead and created this table here on Microsoft Word. And what we want to do is we want to make it stand out a little bit more. Right now it's a bit plain, so we can maybe do a couple things here, like changing the color. We can make the header row here, increase the height on it. We can add a background color. We can add alternating colors for these rows. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to come in and actually want to make this header row a little bit bigger. So let's go ahead and do this, and we'll focus on the alignment in a moment, but let's go ahead and highlight this whole top row. And the next thing that we can do is we can actually change the background color. So we already went ahead and we made the font bold for the header. We also made it 14-point font, whereas this font below is 12-point font. And let's go ahead and change this background color. So we got to hit this little drop down here on shading, and you can see we can make the background, let's make it this darker blue color. Okay, nice. Now the next thing that I want to do is I actually want to go ahead and I want to change the alignment. Now, if you're on home, there's a few different alignment options right here, but the one that we're going to want to do, we're going to need to head over here to table layout. And once we're on table layout, if you don't see table layout, make sure you've clicked somewhere into your table and you have the section highlighted where you want to change the alignment. So right now I have this whole top row highlighted. And if we come over here to alignment, we can go ahead and click on align center. And now you can see it is center aligned horizontally and vertically. So that's exactly what we want. So that looks good. And well, relatively for this video, I'm sure some of you are looking at it and you're driving you crazy, but that's what we wanted to do and we got it done. So we're happy with that. Now the next thing that we want to do is we actually want to change the background color on these rows. So I'm sure you've seen on a table before. If you look at it, the rows, they alternate different colors to make it stand out a little bit more. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's highlight this row, the second row, and then we're going to hold Control, and then we're going to highlight the fourth row. Now what we can do is we can come back over to shading, and we can go and select maybe a light, we could do this blue or maybe a really light blue. So let's go ahead and do this darker blue color. So now you can see we have white, blue, and we would do that for as many entries as we have here. So that's looking good. And there's some other things that we can do as well. So let's just go ahead and explore some of the different options on table layout. So you can see if you come over here, we have the different options like where we covered this in another video where we could change the height and the width. We could change the alignment. We can change the text direction. I mean, we can do all sorts of stuff, but the main things that you're going to want to focus on is you're going to want to be modifying the text. So you guys can see I changed the header to make it stand out a little bit more, but you guys could also come in and you could change the border style. You could change the border colors. You could do all sorts of things. So hopefully this gives you all a good head start into modifying the format of your table and making it look a little bit prettier and more readable for the user. And actually, there's one other thing that we can do here that if we would like to, we can actually go ahead and click. If you guys see this arrow up here in the top left of the table, once I click it, it highlighted the entire table. Now if I come over here and click center, my table is a little bit big, so it's not going to change much, but I can actually change the alignment of the table as well. So maybe you have a table that's only like three or four columns deep, and then you want to center it. You can actually highlight the whole table, that you can come over here and then click on the center option, and it'll actually center your table on your page. So those are just some of the different options available to you when it comes to formatting your tables.